Welcome to our healthy recipe guide. Today, we're sharing 10 delicious and nutritious recipes you can easily prepare at home. From salads to soups and even desserts, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into our first recipe together. First up, we have a grilled chicken salad with balsamic vinaigrette. You'll need grilled chicken breast, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, red onion, and balsamic vinaigrette. Grill the chicken, assemble the salad, and drizzle with the dressing. Next, we have quinoa and black bean stuffed peppers. You'll need bell peppers, cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and seasonings. Prepare the filling, stuff the peppers, and bake until tender. Our third recipe is baked salmon with lemon and dill. You'll need salmon fillets, lemon slices, fresh dill, olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Season the salmon, top with lemon and dill, and bake until cooked. Next, we have a vegetable stir fry. You'll need vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas, plus tofu or chicken, soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Stir fry the vegetables and protein, then serve with brown rice or quinoa. Our fifth recipe is a Mediterranean chickpea salad. You'll need chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, and an olive oil and lemon dressing. Mix all the ingredients for a refreshing salad. Next, we have sweet potato and black bean tacos. You'll need roasted sweet potato, black beans, avocado, salsa, and whole wheat tortillas. Assemble the tacos and enjoy a nutritious meal. Our seventh recipe is minestrone soup. You'll need vegetable broth, vegetables like zucchini, carrots, celery, spinach, cannellini beans, pasta, and Italian herbs. Cook everything together for a comforting and healthy soup. Next, we have oatmeal with berries and nuts. You'll need rolled oats, almonds or walnuts, mixed berries, and honey or maple syrup. Cook the oats, then top with berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Our ninth recipe is a Greek yogurt parfait. You'll need Greek yogurt, granola, mixed berries, and honey. Layer the yogurt, granola, and berries in a glass, then top with honey for a healthy snack. Finally, we have a grilled veggie and hummus wrap. You'll need grilled vegetables, a whole wheat wrap, hummus, and spinach. Spread the hummus on the wrap, add the veggies and spinach, then roll it up. We hope you enjoyed these 10 healthy recipes. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or difficult. Try these recipes at home and let us know which one is your favorite. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and nutritious recipes.